Hi everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. I hope you're having a great day. Today I am going to be making a ginger compress, and I have this magnificent ginger root, and I have already broken off a piece of ginger from this ginger root, and I'm going to grate it and make a compress for a sore thumb. So sometimes you get some pain and stiffness or inflammation in a joint such as the thumb, and for me, I'm feeling it right here. And I've been doing some work. I've been doing a lot of repetitive work, and that's why my thumb is hurting me. So I figured, why not make the compress, and that's going to really help my sore joint. So what I have done is I have gotten my ginger, my grater, and compress and plastic wrap. And I'm going to show you the easy way to make a compress. The easy way is to spread the plastic wrap over top of the surface that you're going to be grating on. In this case, it's going to be a bowl. I'm grating within the bowl. And then I'm going to put a piece of cotton cloth into my bowl and over top of the plastic wrap. And then I'm going to start grating away. Sometimes I use a juicer to juice ginger, but in this case, I really want to get everything really fresh and really quick from the ginger root. So it's just really easy for me to start grating away and getting the juice from the ginger and getting the pulp. And I use the ginger pulp and the ginger juice and wrap it around the sore area. In this case, it's going to be my sore thumb. And it is simple. I might leave it on for an hour. I can also do it before bedtime. And when I do it before bed, I would just sleep with it on. And you may notice it's a little bit warm. Ginger has a hot property, so you might notice the heat from that. And you may also notice that you get some great relief. So it's simple, it's natural, and you can do it in a matter of moments. This will probably take me about 5 minutes to do. And I'm just going to juice a little bit of it because it's on a small area of my thumb. And I don't need a lot. You can probably see the ginger juice dripping down from the grater, and you can see the pulp from the ginger as well. So it is easy to wipe off. I use the same cloth that I'm using for my compress, and I put it in the compress, the ginger pulp that is, and I get both sides of the grater because I want to get as much of the pulp as I can into my compress, and I want to wipe off any of that juice that was on the compress. So the reason why I made my compress this way is because I wanted to show you how quick and easy it was, and I wanted to show you how much pulp is obtained from just a little bit of grating. I probably grated for about a minute, and I got some juice on here as well. So I am going to put that poultice on my thumb in a very easy way. I'm going to wrap it around my thumb and secure it with the saran wrap, and now I can go and sit back and relax. I can watch TV, I can read a book, I can go to sleep like this. And I know that the poultice is secure from the plastic wrap. I can even add a little bit more plastic wrap if I need to. And I know within an hour or by the next morning, I'm going to be pain-free. The inflammation will have gone down, and I will be grateful for my ginger. So I hope you got some benefit from this video today, and I hope you'll try it if you do have a need for some pain relief. Ginger is our friend. Love ginger. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Please also subscribe and tell your friends, tell your family about this channel. I hope you'll benefit from it. Have a great day. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.